We run this sheet called replace and substitute. And let me zoom in a bit. How about this one? This should be good. And this orange is so bright. Let me change it. I think this is better. So over here, now in Excel, if we want to replace something or find something, we use a feature called find and replace at the very top in the home tab on the far right. And it's very helpful for find and replace. If I want to replace something, find and replace is very, very helpful, very, very useful. But it doesn't really always work the way that we want it to. For example, if I want to replace, I can go to replace. Now I want to replace the fifth character with X. Can I do that using find and replace? No. Find and replace will replace the entire character. It cannot replace the character level information. It can replace the entire word. But if I want to replace only the fifth character with X, I can't use find and replace. So what do we do? Is there a function for that? Yes, there is. So the function is equal replace old text. Now the parameter says old text. Where is the old text? This is the old text, comma. What is the start number? Which number you want to start? Maybe you want to start with 1, 2, 3. I want to start with the first. So I can put 1 here. Or maybe you want to replace the fifth character. So I want to replace the fifth character. I put number 5 here. How many number of characters you want to replace? Well, we want to replace only one character because we want to replace only the fifth character with the letter X. And new text will be X. So whatever the fifth character is, I don't know. In this example, it's dash, but whatever the fifth character is, it will be replaced by X. And I press enter, boom. And in Excel, we type formula only once and then we copy it down. Here we go. Wherever the fifth character is, it will be X. And you can see that all X in order. Now maybe we want to replace the eighth character with USA. So can we do it? Can I use find and replace? Absolutely no. We need to use a function. Replace, this is the old text, starting number, eighth character I want to replace. How many digits I want to replace? I want to replace only one character. But with one character I want to replace with USA. And in double quotes I type in USA. Press enter, here we go. And here we have the answer. So we are replacing every eighth character with the letter USA. So, and this can't be achieved using the find and replace in Excel. At the bottom, we have a relatively family function for find and replace called substitute. Now, it is also a very useful function, substitute. It substitutes the information. And there's little thin line difference between the replace and the substitute. Replace will replace the information. Substitute is based on content. And replace is based on the position, the placement. And substitute is based on content of the cell. Now over here, we want to replace all dashes, remove all dashes. Well, if I want to remove all dashes, can I use find and replace? Yes, we can. I can find what? I can find dash and I can replace with nothing. I replace all, it will go away. All done. Let me undo it. But is there a function for that? Yes, there is. So I'm going to use substitute. Substitute text. What text you want to replace? I want to replace. Where is the text? It says text. Where is the text? Here is the text. What is the old text that you want to replace? Old text is dash, this dash, comma, and you want to replace with what? With the new text. Well, you can use nothing, double quotes, and instance number. Maybe it's a first dash or second dash. So that's a content, maybe first one or second one. So I would say that the first one, if I don't put anything, it will replace all of those. I will leave it, close the parentheses, press enter. Uh-oh, we got an error. We remove the comma, and it has replaced both these dashes over here. As we can see it, both the dashes are gone. And over here, we want to remove the first dash only. So what we can do, we can use the same function, equal substitute. Here's the text. Where is the old text that we want to replace? It's a dash. And in double quotes, I put in dash. What is the new text that we want to replace it with? Nothing. We maybe want to put in anything, but I don't want to put anything right now. And I simply double quote and comma. And I want to remove only the first dash. And the instance number over here I'll type is 1 because I want to substitute the first dash only. I press enter. Now it will only substitute the first dash. My second dash would remain as it is. It won't go anywhere. And over here we want to substitute triple X with second dash. Substitute triple X for second dash. So wherever second dash is, I want to see XXX. So is there a function? I'm going to use substitute. And for these items, we can't use find and replace. Is the text? Old text is dash. New text is in double quotes. I want to put in XXX. And instance number is second one. So I want to put number 2 here. So wherever the second dash is, you change it to XXX. And replace all dashes with underscore. Can I use find and replace? Of course, we can use find and replace here because I want to replace all the dashes here. So if we go to find and replace, it will remove either all or none. So I can use a function as well, substitute this text. Old text is dash, of course, comma. New text is underscore. So I want to put in underscore. And instance number is nothing. And I close the parentheses, press enter. Here we go. So dash is substituted by underscore. And very powerful. And these functions will help you when find and replace would no longer work. It will just fail right there and then. So at that point, you'll have to use these find and replace. At that point, you want to use these find and replace because these will not work at that point.